So you may have heard the term renewable heat, and renewable heat or low carbon heating are terms that are given to heating systems that don't burn fossil fuels. So if you think of our traditional way of heating homes, it might be open fires that are burning coal, which is a fossil fuel, or they may be burning wood, which obviously is a biofuel because we can grow it and it self-generates. But a renewable heating system or a low carbon heating system is a heating system that's using more of a renewable energy that's available, such as the heat that's outside in the air, in the atmosphere, or in the ground, or indeed in water. And these are often heat pump systems, where a heat pump will take the heat out of that air, water, or ground, will boost it through a compressor pump, and then use that heat to heat water and into your house. So obviously a heat pump also uses electricity. So it's not an entirely renewable energy system because your electricity may well come from the grid and that might be being generated by fossil fuels. But by using a heat pump and using that heat that's already in our atmosphere, you will be reducing your carbon emissions by using less electricity to heat your home than a standard electrical heating system. EV quite simply stands for electric vehicle. We see more and more of these on the roads. You'll see the little green on the number plate to represent that it's a fully EV vehicle. And then obviously we have our hybrid vehicles, which are a combination of a battery-powered vehicle and a combustion engine vehicle. And some of those are plug-in hybrid. So a plug-in hybrid basically means that you are plugging it in to charge the battery from the grid or from a different source. Whereas a other type of hybrid, the battery is generating by the friction of the car moving on the road. So in theory, really, a hybrid vehicle that isn't a plug-in is a fossil fuel vehicle because it's only the fuel that you're putting into its tank that is creating any energy. Whereas a plug-in hybrid, you're using a fossil fuel, but you're also then able to supplement that with energy from elsewhere. And a full EV is a vehicle that just uses a battery. So everyone will have heard of the National Grid, and that is our big main energy infrastructure here in the UK. Then you also have your DNO, which is the District Network Operator, and they are the company responsible for a certain area, your local energy distribution, and will run the infrastructure that's required from getting the energy from that main sort of spine that is the National Grid into the localities, into the network for your home or your business.